dera fi dubatota. Ani oromoo adi. Mekanko Galato, Yoken Dr. Trevor Truman. Baye Gamada Ama, Woga Sodoman Ege. Akasumas Hoji Faya Hoji'e, Kanaboda Oromia Support Group Wajinjira. Difama Ama Afaan Inglifa Nandubata. The work of the Oromia Support Group in publishing information about human rights abuses began in 1994 in earnest and relied initially upon reports from within Oromia and brave individuals who sent us information. Increasingly over the next decades, we had to rely on information we obtained from refugees, and between 2010 and 2013, I visited refugees in Kenya, Djibouti, Somaliland, Egypt, and South Africa. The widespread and severe human rights abuses were not and are still not appreciated by the outside world. Our work is not yet finished. We intend to be part of the necessary change to a society and culture which respects human rights and therefore can become a true and stable democracy. I dreamed of this day and I'm so grateful for being invited to this historic occasion. I look forward to talking in more detail about the work of the Oromia Support Group on Friday's meeting. Meanwhile, Singalate Fadda.
Eda, sagantaa kenna walduraa duubaan itti fufaa jirra. Keenya garuu horachuu dadhabni. Edaa sababa tokko malee miti waa'ee qabeenyaa kana kan